Alright, next up, 2006-2007 Fleer Ultra Basketball. Let's hope for some autographics of Michael Jordan. And we're off. It's a pretty cheap set, but you never know. Could get something good. That's why we do it, eh? Starting right off with a Lucky 14, a retro Lucky 14 of Rashad McCann. Anyways, okay, base, World Premiere, Jordan Farmer, Cassell, and Gold Medallion Edition, Ben Gordon. You get one gold medallion per pack. Okay. Names are hard to read. This is a World Premiere rookie card. Kevin Garnett, Scoring Kings, Timberwolves, back in the day. And a Gold Medallion Edition rookie card, Francisco Garcia, not numbered. Kind of hoping for Rajon Rondo. Not a huge Celtics fan, but he's a good player. Lucky 14, Andrew Bynum. I think it's a rookie. And Griffin. Eddie Griffin, not Blake Griffin. Way before his time, this set. Ray Allen. World Premiere. Chuck Hayes, rookie. Steve Nash. Lucky 14, retro, Rashad McCart. Whoever that guy is. Why would I get that guy twice? Come on. No name bum. That's the risk in these old sets. Okay. Retro. Names are hard to read. Marvin Williams. Jackson. That guy. World Premiere. Josh Boone. Hey, LeBron James base. Richardson. And Livingston. Gold medallion. Keep rocking. World Premiere, Eusebius, Carmelo, Vince Carter, and Gold Medallion, Steve Francis. Didn't want to play for the Grizzlies. Whining little baby. But who would want to play in Vancouver? Not me. Okay, next up, Miles. Lucky 14, Darren Williams. Retro, though. It's not his real rookie. Okay, we're looking at Gilbert Arenas. Most improved player. From what to what? He's not improved. He was never good to begin with. And Devin George. Gold Medallion Edition. Come on, autographics. Michael Jordan. Raymond Felton. And Season Crowns, Jason Kidd. And Mike Dunleavy, Gold Medallion. Come on, I want Michael Jordan, Gold Medallion. Danny Granger, World Premieres rookie. Scoring Kings, Allen Iverson. Base. Humphreys. Is that the guy married to and divorced to the Kardashian? I don't know. Probably. Lucky 14. Ike Iguodala. World Premiere Marcus Williams. And Tinsley. Gold Medallion. World Premieres, Joey Graham, Kobe Bryant, employee number 8, number 24, Kobe Bryant. Cool card, but not super rare. Lucky 14, Andrew Bynum, retro, Gold Medallion Edition. I think there must be a platinum. Oops. So I knocked over my camera. Not a problem. Fixed it again. Lightning quick reflexes, almost like a cat. Alan Ray. Oh, world premiere. These are all rookies or something. Dwyane Wade Platinum or something. That's cool. This is what they call one of those hot packs. Oh, it's not Dwyane Wade. That's Sean Marion, you idiot. Oh, no, wait a minute. They're stuck together. That is so cool. World premieres red. Quincy Doobie. That's so different. That's a hot pack for sure. Look at this. Sean Marion and Dwyane Wade. Platinum Medallion editions. Numbered 11 and 20 out of 100. Wow, you don't see that every day. I got all excited. Why were they stuck together? Maybe they're meant to be together. Okay, world premiere, Wayne Senian. That guy. There, now the rest of the box will probably suck. Hey, but we're still going to open it. Well, by we, I mean me. Okay. Andrew Bogut. World premieres. Nate Robinson. That's a short dude. Telfair. I'm going to take you to the Telfair. Zach Randall. Lucky 14. Sean May. Maurice Ager. Man, there were some no-name rookies back in this season. Jason Terry. Gold Medallion. Speed it up a little. Don't want to take too much of your time. Well, actually, I do. World premiere. Travis Someone. World premiere. Gold Medallion edition. Ager. Couple more packs to go. Lucky 14. Channing Frye. Jason Kidd. Gold Medallion edition. World premiere. Petrovich. And James. Mike James. The lesser James. Chris Bosch. Rajon Rondo. There we go. Of all the ones to get, that's the guy. I wanted him to be Gold Medallion edition. Can't be too choosy. Kobe Bryant base. Hey, now I can put his Gold Medallion together with his Platinum. Dwyane Wade Gold Medallion. I might just do that, just for fun. Monta Ellis. He's another good one. He's playing fantastic this year. Retro. Steve Nash. Scoring Kings. Arroyo. Ariel. No, Arroyo. Okay, next up. Lucky 14, Sayer Sene. Draft 2010. That one's numbered to 500. I don't think he made the league, though. He's not very good, I don't think. Cayman. That a Rajon Rondo is what I want. World premiere, David Lee. Retro, Chris Paul. World premieres, that is one weird name. Andreas Kivickas. Alright. Any guess what nationality that would be? Probably French. Just kidding. Okay. Gilbert Arenas, Agent Zero, Quincy Doobie. And Fanged. Gold Medallion. Last pack. Finish it off strong. Another hot pack. Yeah, right. Leatherhead. We're going to finish on a jersey. Brendan Haywood. Brendan Haywood. Absolute no-namer. Whatever. And Anton Jameson gold medallion. Alright, so we got a hot pack in there. I'll take that. See you next time.